and today we're going to learn how to make my Italian stuffed shell appetizer. I love to throw parties. I love having a lot of people over, everybody having a great time. And I especially love cooking for parties because that's when I get to experiment. See, when I have a party or throw a party, I don't like to make big, gigantic meals where everybody sits down and it's all formal. I like making 10 or 15 different little appetizers that I spread about everywhere. So as people are walking around and talking to each other, they just pick off the appetizer plates and they try them. Now what I'm about to show you will not only be easy to make, it will taste great, and your presentation is going to be awesome. So as you're walking through the party with the tray with the appetizers on it and people are looking at it, they're going to say, this person took the time and cared enough to not only cook an awesome appetizer, but to make it look good, which is very important. Always remember that presentation is extremely important. So now I'm going to show you how to make an incredible appetizer that I guarantee your guests will remember long after the party is over. This appetizer, actually, it's one appetizer but with two different fillings, so your guests have a choice. So get out your shopping list and let's see what we need to make Matt's Italian stuffed shells. The cool thing is you don't need a lot to make this. We're going to need some Italian sausage without the casing, some ground beef, some shells, an onion, but we're only going to use half, some ricotta cheese, some marinara sauce, and some shredded Parmesan cheese.